I want to mention is they have just opened up the ability to connect out to a remote connector. So this would be a connector that you build yourself. There are ways now that you can do it through low code programs like N8N or Zapier. I have a whole video on one I did for Google Documents, but I just want to mention that you can actually create your own, but you need to make sure you go to developer mode, which is if we come to the bottom here, advanced settings, we'll turn that on. And that's going to give us access to our remote versions. And you can see, at least for the ones that you build, you can actually see what are the actions it can create. And so you see we have a document create, a document find and replace, a document get, read a document, and a document insert text. So I'm going to show you how you might do this in N8N. So here I am, I've created a new workflow. I'm going to hit the plus button and we're going to look up MCP. The technical term for connectors is MCP. And we will find this nice little trigger here. And we're going to put in Google Doc test. But then what we can do is we come down here to add the little tools and we can do Google Docs. We just want to make sure that we let the AI decide what it can decide. So to do that, you just need to click this little sparkle button. And here we have our create document tool. And then let's just add a bunch of different tools. Create a doc, update a doc, get a doc, and make sure that it can insert text as well. So now we have the 4 tools. This should be all it needs to be able to do pretty much anything we want. Okay, then we're going to turn that to active. It's saved. And then the thing we need to grab is this address right here. Make sure it says production URL. We're just going to copy that and let's head over back to ChatGPT. You'll see enabled apps and connectors create. So we're just going to click on that, grab the Google Doc icon, and we'll do Google Doc connector. And then we're just going to copy and paste this URL in there. And then we're not going to do OAuth for right now. I understand. Create. And here we go. We have the connector that we just created. So now I'm just going to say create a Google Doc called super secret password and include the text, I will never tell you my secrets, in the doc. Let's see how it does. And bam, just like that. And we'll click the link and it should take us to the good old document called super secret password. I will never tell you my secrets.